I know you are probably thinking, why will Discord make Nitro free for everyone when it's the only way or one of the ways they make money? Well, I don't know why either, but the news is true, and you can get Discord Nitro 1 month for free. Watch the full video so you can know everything and get Nitro. I am from the Discord world, and I tell people how they can get Nitro for free without paying a single dollar, and we also give away a lot of Nitro. So subscribe to this channel so you can get your hands on Discord Nitro for free. First thing we need to is who is eligible for this promotion. The good thing about this is that almost everyone can get Nitro from this offer, because in order to claim Nitro from this offer, you need to not have Nitro in the past 10 days. You heard me right. Before, Discord doesn't used to give Nitro if you had it in the past 12 months, but it's not the case this time. Let's see how you can get this Nitro. Go to the Discord's desktop app. I don't know if it works on mobile or not, but you can always give that a try. Once you have the desktop icon, click on the Discord logo here and then click on the Nitro tab. Here you should see your 1 free extra month Discord Nitro offer. Click on Buy Discord Nitro and then select the monthly option. And now add your payment details to buy the first month of Nitro and to get your free month. Once you have Nitro, then you will have it for 2 months. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe if you want to miss any other chance of getting Nitro.